Now let us initiate the first event of our 18th Sports Day. To live life tension-free, fire safety is the only key. Here comes our sportsmen from Sun Team to present a drill on fire safety.
Will be taking you through an exciting drill on fire and the safety awareness. Our team Sun is here to demonstrate the steps to handle a fire emergency. Let's meet the team. Team Sun is all about spreading sunshine and safety. They are here to show us how to stay safe in the case of a fire. Fire, a burning flame or blast, and a chemical reaction involving combustion producing heat and light.
6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change.
Danger board typically refers to a warning sign or notice indicating potential hazards, risk or danger in a particular area or situation. It's usually posted to alert people of possible harm or injury.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Bucket with stand. The first step is controlling a fire is to strip it of oxygen. Sand helps to cut off the oxygen supply, preventing the fire from spreading.
3, next, change. 1,
Bucket with water. The second step is cool down the surrounding. Water helps to lower the temperature, preventing the fire from spreading to nearby objects.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. 1, 2,
Blanket to smooth. The third is to smooth the flames. A wet blanket cut off oxygen, helping to extinguish the fire.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. 1,
Fire extinguisher. The final step is to put out the flame. A fire extinguisher uses chemical to smooth and cool the fire.
6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change.
Panic action. Oh no, a stimulate fire has been reported. Students, please evacuate the area calmly. Someone please did not dial 108 for emergency assistance.
7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change.
Call emergency. Dial 108 and inform the fire and the rescue service.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Awareness picture movement. Look at the picture of the firefighter and ambulance recovery vehicle. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, Next. Change.
Conclusion. And that a wrap, a team son has demonstrated the crucial steps to handle a fire emergency. Fan, water, blanket and a fire extinguisher. Let's all remember safety first. Hope you have all learned something new. Stay safe everyone. Thank you to Team Sun for their arms and demonstration. Thank you all.